What's up, guys? Welcome back to our channel. Before we get started on this little adventure, do us a favor, go down there and hit the like button, subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and hit the notification bell. We know our vlogs haven't been the most interesting in the world, but that's about to change. Is it going to change, Sissy? We are right now on our way to our summer vacation. Sissy, where are we going? We're going to the beach. We're headed to Gulf Shores. You guys are coming with us, so hang tight, buckle your seatbelt, and we are going to stop in Mississippi tonight and then finish the trip to Gulf Shores tomorrow. We got the baby here now, Sissy, Cash, Briar, and we got my mom. Say hi, Mom. And then Jennifer's over here as the co-pilot. So anyways, we're going to see what happens. It'll be a fun trip. And next stop, we'll see you in Jackson. All right, so we made it to Jackson, Mississippi. Probably can't hear us over the rolly wheels, but not a bad trip. I got here and I mean, nice little hotel that we're at, Staybridge Suites. And kids are happy to be out of the car, I know that.
Is that a bullet hole?
Did you just ask if that was a bullet hole?
I did.
We made it. Girl.
I am excited, baby. Are you?
Yeah.
All right, so we just made it to Gulf Shores, and that is home behind us right here.
Top floor. Very top floor. Yep.
Excited to be here.
Yes.
Had a pretty good trip. Like I said, the tropical storm Elsa, I mean, it looks like some of the bands are in here behind us, but overall, pretty good trip. And yeah, we're gonna get unloaded. All right, guys, so we've made it into to our condo. It's absolutely gorgeous, and yeah, just saying, I think I'm a little underexposed. There we go. So as you can see, we made it. It's a pretty awesome spot. We're pretty excited. Real quick, I'm gonna give you a tour, let you guys check the place out. All right, so in here's the living room with a deck. Nice little dining room. We'll check out the kitchen in a minute. Here's the master bedroom. TV, we got our own view out to the Gulf. Master bath. It's got a pretty awesome little kitchen in it right here, super nice. And here's a regular bathroom for the kids, and the door, that door leads into a bedroom. Washer and dryer. Here's another guest bedroom right here. It's got closets, and again, TV. Right here's where the boys are staying. What's up, Cash? You got a TV in here?
Yeah.
Another TV. What do you guys think of this place?
It's nice. Epic.
Epic?
Yes.
Alright, cool. So anyways, as you can see, pretty nice place. We're pleased with it. We're gonna get checked in and go find us something to do. And weather's kind of cloudy. We're hoping the sun starts shining here for too long. But Mom, what do you think about it?
It's nice.
It's nice.
Real nice.
Sissy, you like it? Yep, that's Emerson. Spencer, what do you think about it? You like it? Mama? All right, we'll see you later.
Put your money on the backseat. Don't give a hell paparazzi, baby. You know they always tryna get me. $1,000,000 looking icy. I can make it rain on you. I can make your dreams come true. But let me get this straight, don't ever need no man to tell me what to do.
Tip it over and stick it to your hand. Good morning. It is our third morning here in Gulf Shores, and we are sunburned and tired.
See what's up, guys?
You want to say what's up, guys?
What's up, guys? And I'm gonna tell them I'm eating oatmeal.
She's eating oatmeal. We're drinking coffee. Mom's at the beach. Little man is crawling all over the place. Hey, Bubba, are you having a good time? There's some folks out here parasailing. I've got a couple time lapses going. It's a whole lot better weather than we had. I guarantee it. You look out here, and the beach is clear. They're parasailing behind us here. Coming down right now. They got the banana boat going right over here. Just a good time, man. I'm telling you, we're Rocky Mountain people. We like the Rocky Mountains, but we sure enjoy our time at Gulf Shores. Let's go see what Briar's doing real quick. I know what he's doing, but let's go see. Oh, he's awake. Good morning, sleepyhead.
Good morning.
Are you ready to get after it again today?
Yeah.
Yeah, waves are definitely a lot smaller today. Yesterday we got the tar beat out of us. I've got some GoPro footage I'm sure that we'll either show or have shown, and you can see us get beat up. The waves were at sometimes probably 7-8 foot, which was remnants of Hurricane Elsa when it came through on the backside. But anyways, we're gonna get around and see what the day brings.
You want more? Thank you, Jack. Your hair is
I'm in trouble. I bumped him.
not gonna do it.
All right, boys. Did you guys have fun?
Yeah.
Who won the races?
Mom.
Dad. Dad. And then, but Mom won basketball. We'll give her basketball. But Dad whooped y'all in racing.
Hold on.
Put your money on the backseat. Don't give a hell paparazzi, baby. You know they always tryna get me. $1,000,000 looking icy. I can make it rain on you. I can make your dreams come true. Let me get this straight, don't ever need no man to tell me what to do.
Sad day, we're moving out.
Adios. Bye. It's been fun.
So we are just stopping at Buc-ee's. You always got to stop at Buc-ee's anytime you come to Gulf Shores, or anytime you get the chance to check out a Buc-ee's. You got to check out Buc-ee's. They got everything. Wake me up. Guys, cat in front of you.
Look at that shirt.
We just got our annual trip to Buc-ee's finished. We got all kinds of goodies. Everybody's strapped in. We had a good time, good vacation.
Good vacation.
Besides a little stress here and there, which is all vacations, we got it done. We are fixing to head to Oklahoma. Y'all ready to get home? Yes. All right, we'll see y'all when we get to Oklahoma.